See students, see theorem 6.2. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles is equal. If a transversal, see in figure, PS is a transversal and AB and CD, these are two parallel lines. So this PS transversal is intersecting these two parallel lines AB and CD at point Q and R. Okay, then you have to show that each pair of alternate angles is equal. Which is the alternate angle? See in figure, BQR. This with this QRC. So this pair is alternate interior angle. Similarly, there is another pair also. This angle and this angle. These are also alternate interior angles. But let us prove this. BQR equals to QRC. So first of all, students, write what is given here. So given, what is given? If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, means AB is parallel to CD. This is given. AB line and CD are parallel lines, and a transversal PS. So this is line. What you have to prove? To prove क्या प्रूव करना है हमको कि एंगल दिस BQR equals to angle QRC and angle, another alternate interior angles pair AQR. This AQR equals to angle QRD. Okay, so let us prove this. So proof. See in figure as AB and CD are two parallel lines and PS is a transversal. Therefore, I can write here angle BQR equals to angle PQA, AQP. Why AQP? Because these are vertically opposite angles. You know that if you have a line and this is another line AB and CD, then these two angles are equal, because this 1, 2, 3, 4, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree, 1 plus 2 linear pair of angles, and angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree, 2 plus 3 linear pair of angles. So equating this, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, cancelling angle 2, angle 1 equal to angle 3. So 1 equal to 3, that is vertically opposite angles are always equals. Okay, if any one line intersects any another line. Okay, so therefore and we know that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal by using axiom 6.3. Therefore, as AB and CD are two parallel lines, this is a transversal. Therefore, angle AQP, angle AQP will be equal to this QRC. Therefore, QRC angle equal to angle AQP. Number 2, this AQP, this angle, and this QRC, these are corresponding angles. These are equals because AB and CD are parallel lines. PS is transversal. According to axiom 6.3, if a transversal intersects any two parallel lines, then the pair of corresponding angles are always equal, which we have already proved. That is axiom. Now from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2, see right hand side AQP, here also AQP, so I can write angle left hand side equal to left hand side. Therefore angle BQR equal to angle this QRC BQR equal to QRC, which we have hence proved, which are alternate interior angles. Similarly we can prove this next one also. Similarly we can prove angle AQR equals to angle QRD also. Okay, so this is the proof of this theorem 6.2. So what is the theorem? If a transversal intersects any two parallel lines, then alternate interior angles are always equal. Now come to another theorem, that is 6.3 theorem. If a this is just the converse of this theorem. It is the converse of this theorem. If a transversal intersect two lines such that alternate interior angles are equal, this angle and this angle, these are equal. These are given equal. Now you have to prove that these two lines are parallel to each other, which is the converse of 6.2, which is the converse of 6.2 theorem. Okay, so solution. What is given here? Right, given here alternate interior angles AB and CD are any two lines. AB and CD are parallel line. This is not given. You have to prove it. So given AB and CD are any two lines. Any two lines. This is given. Any two. We don't know whether they are parallel or not. Any two lines, and PS is a transversal. This is given, and also it is given that and angle this BQR equals to this QRC, angle QRC. This is given. Okay. Okay, and this will also be equal. This angle and this angle also equals. Okay, let us see this first pair. BQR, this angle equal to this angle, which is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay. Now, to prove, what we have to prove? To prove line AB is parallel to CD. ये हमको प्रूव करना है. ठीक है. Now see the proof of the. It is given that क्या दिया है उन्होंने ये दिया है कि एंगल दिस BQR equals to angle QRC. This is given. Okay, this is given. But we know that angle BQR equals to angle this PQA AQP. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now BQR equal to QRC and BQR also equals to AQP. So I can, if left hand sides are equal, so I can write right hand side must be equal to right hand side. therefore from 1 and 2 angle B, angle this AQP, this angle AQP equals to angle QRC, angle QRC. AQP means this angle equal to QRC, this angle. But these are corresponding angles, but these are corresponding angles, तो हमने एक एक्सियम देखा है 6.3 एक्सियम क्या कहता है कि अगर दो लाइंस पैरेलल से द करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं। अभी यहां पर क्या है, टेक द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ दैट एक्सियम 6.3। अगर ये एंगल्स इक्वल है जो कि करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स है, अगर ये एंगल्स इक्वल है इसका मतलब क्या है कि ए बी एंड सी डी पैरेलल है। देयरफॉर यूजिंग द कॉन्वर्स of axiom 6.3, AB line is parallel to CD because corresponding angles are equal. Okay, student, in this video now see theorem number 6.4. What is the theorem? If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, in figure let M line is a transversal and AB and CD are two parallel lines. This is given. So line M is intersecting two parallel lines AB and CD at point P and Q suppose. If this is given, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, तो इस लाइन के सेम साइड में इंटीरियर एंगल्स 1 और 3 हो गए, 2 और 4 ये पेयर होगी इंटीरियर एंगल्स की पेयर, ये 1 और 3 इंटीरियर एंगल्स की पेयर होगी। सो दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री। तो 1 + 3 180 होता है, 2 + 4 180 होता है, ये आपको प्रूव करना है। ओके, सो व्हाट इज गिवन? राइट फर्स्ट व्हाट इज गिवन? गिवन लाइन AB, line AB and line CD are parallel lines and M is a transversal intersecting AB and CD at P and Q respectively. So this is given. Now to prove क्या प्रूव करना है हमको? एंगल 1 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree and angle 2 plus angle 4, sum of the interior angles on one side of the transversal is 180 degree. So this we have to prove. Now see proof में क्या होगा? किसी as line M is stands on line AB, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. This is the ray stands on AB. So or we may say a linear pair of angles. These are linear pair of angles. Okay, and angle 2 equal to angle 3. Just we have proved now alternate interior angles are always equal using theorem 6.3. using theorem 6.3 as AB parallel to CD, therefore alternate angles are equal. So alternate angles say, so I can replace this 2 by 3. So 1 implies, therefore 1 implies, just put u instead of 2 as 3. So angle 1 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. 1 plus 3. Sum of the interior angles on one side of the transversal is 180 degree. So in this way you can prove 2 plus 4 also 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove angle 2 plus angle 4 is also equals to 180 degree. So therefore students, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, the sum of the interior angles on one side of the transversal is always supplementary. Students, now say next theorem number 6.5. This is just the converse of theorem 6.4. In 6.4 it was given, if two lines are parallel, then sum of the interior angles on one side of the transversal are supplementary. Now it is the converse of 6.4, that is, if a transversal intersect two lines AB and CD such that the pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are equal. अगर sum of the two angles, यहाँ पे 4 plus 5 अगर 180 दिया है, 3 plus 5 180 दिया है, तो आपको ये प्रूव करना है कि ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल होती है. So solution, what is given here? Given. Now आपको पैरेलल लाइन से ये प्रूव करना है. Lines are parallel not given. Okay, that you have to prove. So here AB and CD are ready to lies. Here AB and CD are any two lines. AB and CD are any two lines, and M is, let M is a transversal. ये आपकी ट्रांसवर्सल है, ठीक है. And it is also given that angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. This is given. Angle 3 plus angle 6, this is also equals to 180 degree. This is also given. Now to prove हमको प्रूव करना है कि लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. AB parallel to CD. This we have to prove. Okay. Now see the proof. It is given that what is given? Angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. This is given. Okay. And angle 3 plus 4 क्या होगा? As M stands on line AB, therefore angle 3 plus angle 4, this will also be equals to 180 degree, है ना. लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स हो जाएंगे, लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स हो जाएंगे. ओके. 3 plus 4 180 डिग्री. लेकिन 3 किसके बराबर में? 3 जो है वो 5 के बराबर में. यूजिंग 6.3 थ्योरम, अल्टरनेट इंटर एंगल्स. Okay, not given parallel. Okay, so I can write here, if this 180, so I can write here angle left hand side must be equal to left hand side. Angle 4 plus angle 5 will be equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. this left hand side equal to left hand side because right hand sides are equal. So cancelling angle 3, therefore angle 4 equals to angle 5. Angle 4 equal to angle 5. 4 plus 5 ये 180 4 plus 5 4 equal to 5 आ गए है ना. 4 and 5 are equal. So 4 angle 4 plus 5 4 equal to 3 plus, sorry, it is 3 by 4 cancel, 4 cancel, 3 it will be 3. Angle 3 plus angle 3 equal to angle 5. Angle 3 equals to angle 5. Okay, but 3 equals to 1 vertically opposite angle, but angle 3 equals to angle 1. इसको हम नंबर 3 दे देते हैं. Vertically opposite angles, therefore 3 implies 3 के बदले में 1 रखो. So angle 1 equals to angle 5. Angle 1 equals to angle 5, but these are corresponding angles. But these are corresponding angles. तो हमारा एक्सियम क्या कहता है? एक्सियम कहता है कि अगर दो लाइंस पैरेलल है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. उसका कॉन्वर्स क्या होगा? अगर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल है तो लाइंस पैरेलल होगी. देयरफॉर यूजिंग द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ एक्सियम, यूजिंग द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ एक्सियम 6.3, उसका 1 इज इक्वल टू 5 करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स है वो इक्वल आ गए. तो एक्सियम का कॉन्वर्स अगर इसका हम यूज करेंगे, देयरफॉर ए बी पैरेलल टू सी डी हो जाएगा. ए बी और सी डी दो लाइंस पैरेलल हो जाएगी.